Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add another Outlook email account. Open Outlook, then on the side, click on the line Add Account. Enter the Outlook account in the Suggested Accounts field. Click on Continue. Wait for the process to load. After a moment, enter the password for the Outlook account. Click on Sign In. Confirm the permissions and wait again. You can see that the account was added correctly and will be available in Outlook. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.